Ever since Jurassic Fight Club first appeared, this was the first dinosaur that they ever got to show on their series. And since then, they had a series of seriously crazy battles. Tonight we're going to draw Majungotholus. One of the Cretaceous' well, seriously sharp and feisty carnivores. Here's his teeth. I don't know why he's got that jowl on his upper half. Here's that waddle underneath his neck. It's almost like a rooster. He looks more like a rooster to me. Anyway, this is his upper half. Now we draw his arm. As you have noticed, the carnivore's arm is kind of like Carnotaurus's arms. There's his foot. Here's his foot. There he is. That is how you draw Majungotholus. I've taken a liking to Jurassic Park and, well, Jurassic Fight Club ever since it first came out. I have the DVD back at the house. I do have a reason for its, why I got it. Remember I told you about Chased by Dinosaurs? How I got the DVD back at the house? Well, it's from the same DVD store that's in the Roosevelt Field Mall. I just hope it's still there. I wanted to thank it for the DVDs. After years of being away from it, I might as well give it a chance and tell them that I love their stuff, that I love visiting it. And I've been a huge fan of their dinosaur DVDs. I hope they launch more, because I have taken a liking to every dinosaur that they have in that store. Anyway, thanks for joining us. That's all for now, guys. Good night.